Well, it's another early start for me this morning, and thought I'd bring the bike into work and get home quicker this afternoon. I've been taking the bike a few times to work over the last couple of weeks, but every day this week it's been like -4, -5, so I've just used the car. And this morning it's a massive 3 degrees, so I've got the bike. Now hopefully when I finish, according to the weather forecast, it's going to be 15 degrees, so it'll be nice and warm for going home. So I just want to also check out the new DJI Action 5 for the low light on the camera. Now everything, all the settings on the camera are just stock, so I haven't changed any of the settings. So I'll see how this turns out. And it's bloody chilly. And it's quite misty. Hey ho, as long as the mist clears, I'll be happy. Bloody hell, it is thick here. So the Honda, the little commuter, that's been treated to a new set of Michelin Road 6s. So I got them fitted a couple of weeks ago, and I managed to squeeze 12,000 miles out the old Dunlop Sports Max. And no doubt I probably could have squeezed more out it, but 12,000 I thought that was fairly decent. So I'm still technically breaking in these tyres, but they feel, so far they feel really good, like quite grippy. And Michelin also had a deal on that you can claim £30 fitting back, so I've sent that off, and the claim's been approved, so I'm just waiting on the money to go back into my bank account. So I saved 30 quid on my tyres. Happy days. So the weekend's approaching, and Alec and John quite fancy going for a ride out. So we've checked the weather forecast. Saturday it's meant to be pissing with rain all day, so I don't think we'll be doing Saturday, but Sunday looks good, so we could head out on Sunday for a cheeky little ride out. Don't know where we'll go. We'll either be up the Highlands or down Borders. We'll see ya. But yeah, we're hoping to get out at the weekend. I'll get the GSX out. Alec will get his GSA out, and John will get his V-STROM out. When I came to work the other day there, I was halfway to work in the morning, and I thought, bloody hell, it's awfully chilly. I forgot to put my waterproof jacket on, which acts as a good windbreak as well. And by God, I bloody felt it. So I made sure not to make that mistake again, and I've got the waterproof jacket on. And that's us now into the street lighting. So, like I said, it'll be good to see what the night footage is like on the new Action 5. The Action 4 was bloody good, but the Action 5 is supposed to be better. So we'll see. A wee bit slidey there. Don't know if there's some oil or whatever on the road. Not a soul coming. Well, there's one there, and the lights will go to red for him. Absolute joke, these traffic lights in the city. I don't mind the morning commute, especially when the roads are like this and they're nice and quiet. It's when they're busy I can't be dealing with it, especially with all the idiots that haven't got a clue on how to drive. You take it easy, it's quite damp here. I'm still running in the tyres. Switch your lights off, you an arsehole. That does my tits in, that fucking milkman. There's a milkman in our street. I swear to God I'm gonna lay out a spike strip one day. He comes rattling into the street at about 2 o'clock in the morning. Full revs. Must be red lining it. Delivers to a couple of houses and then wheel spins it out the street. I swear to God, one of these mornings he's going to get a fright. Because he'll either hijack the keys of his bike, his van, pull them out the ignition and then fuck them into a fucking hedge. That would quieten him down, I suppose. Or I'm going to burst his tyres. I think the keys into a hedge would be better. Well, that was quite a pleasant ride in this morning. Zero traffic, just the way I like it. Sadly this shithole will be waking up just shortly, so I'll be back to being chaotic. I don't know if you can tell how much I love my city. Well, I can tell you right now I don't. It is an utter toilet. This road used to be a railway line many years ago. This was Haymarket Yards. And there's a few videos on YouTube when this was a railway siding and a railway line. Quite interesting if you're into that sort of shite. Thank you lights, ever so kind. No, these ones aren't. What are you indicating for? There's only one way you can go, which is left. Honestly, they private hires, they're an absolute riot. They're a danger to themselves, half of them. Absolute danger to themselves. He's just done an illegal right turn. Now I don't understand it with these lights, right? The east-west lights will sit on green all day. All night I should say. But the north-south ones will sit on red, and this is the main road. That's just a side street. And there's absolutely nothing coming. It's a joke. That's a new Fandango electric double-decker bus. Just out the wrapper. $748, yep. They've got 50 of them. 700 to 750. Or 749 maybe. I don't know. That's the second last one anyway.